guys, so you guys might be wondering what this sound is from.
Come on!
And I also been wondering what that sound is from for a few months, ever since our first update when Shop or City had the revamp, and there were a bunch of shorts where they were like the OG City was leaving me and stuff. So you guys wanna know what the origin of the sound is? It is from this YouTuber at Corey X Kenshin. He was playing My Little Monsters or something. It was something like that. It wasn't that. But I'll put the correct name when I'm editing this, because I don't know. I don't remember, but I'll go check it when I'm done making this video. This took about a week of research because literally all of the sounds were just made from different videos. So if you thank you guys, and please hit the like and subscribe button right here, or just down there, I think. Make sure to subscribe to Corey X Kenshin also, because he was the one that made the sound, of course. And make sure to subscribe to me, please, because I was the one that found it out. Okay guys, goodbye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join my Discord. Bye bye.